Okay, we're here in front of our house. Karen's trying to walk through the driveway to get to our Jeep. I measured a while ago, it was 14 inches on our front walkway. It's going to be snowing for a few more hours yet. Poor Jeep. Looks like a foot of snow on the roof of the house, just sitting there. The snow is coming down fairly heavy right now. We just got through walking up to Columbia Pike just to get a sense of what it was like, and not too many cars out, a few. I'll try to walk through some of the snow and go around the side of the house, take a look down in the woods. Down at my feet. The ground is turned up down here. The kids next door have been out playing. Well, I'm inside now. I'm going to try to go out on the back deck for the first time. Let's see what that's like. Let's see if I can find the key. Give me a second. Whew. All of this. Wow. Probably a foot of snow just sitting on top of the railing there. Slipping down into the woods. Very peaceful back in there. Next door neighbor's swimming pool looks like a pond frozen over. Lots of snow here on the back porch. Looks like a foot and a half maybe is piled up on the back deck.